Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 508 in the Allure specification. So this car's got a 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. Now outside the car there's 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. There's blind spot detection on the wing mirrors, and you've got an automatic tailgate. Inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. The front seats have a heated function and are positioned electronically. Now some other features of this car include automatic headlights wipers, dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's done 16,000 miles, it comes with 1 year's warranty, has a full service history with ourselves and is only £20 a year to tax. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.